Okay, here's our chance. Ready, set, go! Drop! Go! Drop! I said drop! Go! Drop! Go! Ah, that went well.
The crossing of the road scene is the epitome of using contrast, like these movies do. The whole idea is that you cut between moments where the toys are crossing the street. We go from the little toy world to the big world of the cars driving overhead and smashing into each other, and the big truck and the cylinder and all that stuff. So we're always switching gears real radically between the toys tick, 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 crossing the street and then this big car wreck. So during these sections, before the traffic comes in, we actually hear little details like the slinky and the coins rattling in Ham. The hubcap coming from the rear of the theater was really set up to use the center rear surround so that the hubcap can come from directly behind the audience.
Drop!
There's been no music in this scene when the traffic is happening, except for now when the big climactic moment is happening with the cylinder that's threatening Mr. Potato Head. The music comes back in to play the drama, the scariness of the moment. Actually, it was very hard to have a mix that you would hear the rumbling, huge cylinder as well as the gum snapping back up from the street. One of the first choices we had to make is how to do the music, and I thought it was a great idea to have the music only score the moments where the toys come alive. So when the toys walk, the music underscores that, because Randy Newman's idea with the music is to kind of score the magic of the fact that these toys are alive all the time. That's his attitude, which is perfect for the movie. But when they stop, that kind of magic of the film stops. We go into our reality, our world. So the music goes away, and it's just those nasty sound effects of cars screeching and hubcaps spinning overhead and that kind of stuff, that big stuff. When the toys get up after the crash, Randy Newman comes back in with the music. When it's time to final mix a movie, we have a lot of choices, and the choices really come down to where and how to play sound effects, where the dialogue needs to be heard, how the dialogue is paced out and heard, where the music really needs to help drive the scene, or where the music can maybe come underneath and be subordinate for a while. And we're always trying to give it a dramatic shape so that it's not all at the same level, and you with the mix, are trying to give something life by having different things happen all the time, and contrast and dynamics. What's really fun about an animated film is that when it all works, it really comes to life in a way that live action films never really have that magical spring to life moment.